Hello, today I'm going to talk about pilot testing, ongoing evaluation, and monitoring, and online. To start our topic, we need to know what exactly is pilot testing. Pilot testing is a process where the user of the particular system will use the design system to perform the actual work function. Pilot testing is designed to function as a step where catching and correcting potentially costly errors of a particular system before they become a more serious problem after a full deployment. Pilot tester will use the system at the technical level in order to confirm whether the efficient workflow practices have been adequately modeled during the development or not. The benefits of pilot testing are to gain information for potential participants, learn about difficulties or obstacles that need to be overcome, collect recommendations on how to improve from the pilot tester, understand personal reaction and getting higher rate of acceptance from the pilot tester. First thing to do in pilot testing is to create a pilot testing group. Pilot testing group is majorly dependent on the organization size, structures, and priorities. If the organization are large, a steering committee can be formed in order to assist in identifying pilot practice. Before conducting the pilot testing, the steering committee needs to develop a readiness assessment that assesses staff abilities and identify technological shortfall possibility for each department. The assessment will help devise a rollout strategy by identifying departments that already prepare and more ambitious towards the rollout schedules. For example, in a hospital, before admitting staff for implementation of a new performance management system, the nursing staff should be trained on the new system to ensure system implementation in the medical surgical unit will not affect any efficiency. The next step will be user feedback. Collecting the feedback and collecting constructive criticism and working on it is a different thing. Even if there are mechanisms in collecting feedback, there are still possibility the employee will not give genuine feedback. Obtaining user feedback is a critical component of pilot testing, where pilot user can identify potential problems or workflow issues. This is because organization can listen to pilot user feedback and use those feedback to help in isolating and resolving potential glitch in the system or make interface adjustment. Besides, obtaining feedback actively can enable the organization to implement improvement before problems arise. Slow resolution of issue may demoralize users and result in low adoption. Surveys are a helpful tool in help in collecting user feedback. Survey as a tool which are helpful in collecting user feedback can address in topics like workflow changes, user interface problems, interface adjustment users would like to see made, and data errors the user have noted. After a system is implemented, there must be a measurement system to evaluate on how well the system is producing the result expected. This included the survey on the perspective and the attitude of pilot tester on the new system from time to time. Number of employees is an indicator to find out who participate and who did not participate in the evaluation program, while distribution of performance rating is an indicator to find out or to detect intentional errors such as leniency, severity, and central tendency. Quality of information is indicator of quality of the performance assessment where the quality of the information provided is in the open-ended section of the forms. Quality of follow-up action is an indicator of the quality of the system where used to find out whether it leads to important follow-up action in terms of development activities or improved processes. Quality of performance discussion meeting is a confidential survey distributed to all employees regularly in order to find out how supervisor is managing the performance discussion meeting. System satisfaction is where a survey is distributed to assess the perception of system user, both raters and ratees. Overall cost or benefit ratio is given to the participants in order to rate the performance management system to find out its overall impact. Unit level and organization level performance is an indicator used to find out customer satisfaction with specific units and indicators of the financial performance of the various units of the organization.
Created using Powtoon.